Okay, we'll start task 20B. Create a spreadsheet that looks like this. Place a formula in cell B5 to add the two numbers, B6 to subtract, and so on. Okay, so I have to create spreadsheet looks like this. Before that, I have to tell you that there is the operation add, subtract, multiply, divide, and indices. This is the operators for each of them. And this is the example how to create the formula. You know that when you create any calculations or something like this using papers or using calculators, you write the value or select the value. For example, 2 plus 4, something like this. And then write equal or select equal. But in Excel, we have to type equal first, okay, to calculate the all operations. So I go back to this task 20B and then go to cell A. And here he said numbers. First number. Second number. First number is 4. Second number is 2. As you see here, that when you write any labels or text, you find that Excel aligned this text to the left of the cell. But when you write any numbers, he aligned the numbers to the right of the cell, okay, until you change it as you like. This is automatically alignment of the Excel. So B5, I said here, A5, add, and then subtract, and then multiply, divide, multiply, divide, in pieces. Okay, so when you write anything, for example, if I take the value, not the cell reference, I want to tell you about, to explain what is the naming of cell reference. Cell reference, which means the name that we can find it in the name box when you click on the cell. It is the intersection between the column name and the row. So the column names with alphabetics and the row names with numbers. When I select any cell, the cell name will be B2, for example, like this. The name of the column with the name of the cell that the intersection between them happen. And if I want to make, for example, add here, I have to explain one point here. When I say equal, write 4 plus 2, it will give me the exact output result that I need. And here, if I would write equal, and then I select the cell reference, okay, and say plus from the keyboard, press on plus, and then the another cell reference of the another value, then enter. It's the same. Why I use the cell reference instead of writing the values? As you see here in the formula bar, explain what happened in this cell and this also. Okay, when I will tell you what. When I write or change 4 to 40, what the output result should be 80. Okay, and you can see the changes that happen in both cells here. of output result. When I say 40, sorry, this is addition. I thought that is multiplication. 420. For example, when I say multiply here, equal this one multiplied by, I have to change it first. Okay, change it first to make it. Okay, this is a multiplication. Okay, when I say equal, this cell reference multiplied with another cell reference, it will be 80. When I change 4 to 40, look what will happen in addition and in multiplication. Addition will be 42 and the multiplication will be 80. It will be changed automatically. Okay, when I say 4, as you see here, this is 4 plus 2. Nothing will be changed for the original first number or second number. It will be the same. So we prefer to work with Excel because of the cell reference, as you see here. Okay, we can continue, subtract equal, and go back to make the value the same. So equal this one, first number, plus second number, second cell reference, equal, subtract, minus second number, and then equal A, B2 multiply by B3. Here equal B2 divided slash by B3. And here equal 4, which means the power shift 6 and multiplication shift 8 in your keyboard. The cell reference here. This is the output result. Thank you.